piece of crap. Hey guys, it's Jules from BODYFX, and as you can see our retail shop's looking really good, but this trolley's looking disgusting. So today I'm gonna refurbish this trolley to make it look more BODYFX, and I want to take you on that journey. So let's hit it. Now that we've taken everything off, all the parts are off, the wheels are off, the handlebars are off, I'm going to strip this puppy back. And then once I've done that, you can see here some of these components here are actually chipped and snapped. I'm going to have to patch them as well. So there's probably still about another 15-20 hours of work left in here if you're going to do it right. So as you can see, I've stripped down the whole trolley, and I'm really happy with the result. It's taken quite a few hours to get it to this just base level. On top of that, I've gone through and repaired all the wheels. I've patched the whole trolley, and I've resprayed all the connectors. So all in all, it's going to look pretty nice, just as it is. But now the real job is coming about, and I'm going to bedazzle it, make it more BODYFX. Going to make it a trolley that a customer's going to feel really proud to put products in. And that's the whole idea, right? So yeah, let's see what happens next. So, it's blingy, it matches the retail shop, it's not a red piece of crap anymore, and I'm really happy with the result. Yeah, so, tell me what you think. You're going to come in here and fill this puppy up or what?